So hello friends, our today's question is question number 1837, sum of digits in base k. So let's read it. So we have been given an integer n in base 10 actually and a base k. So we need to return the sum of digits of n after converting n from base 10 to base k. So we are given two integers int n and int k here. So we need to convert the integer n from base 10 to base k. So base k will be given in the input and we need to convert the integer n which is also given in input from base 10 to base k. So after converting each digit should be interpreted as a base 10 number and the sum should be also written in base 10. So what this line is saying is we need to convert the integer n from base 10 to base k, but after converting from base 10 to base k all the digits of n should be considered as base 10 and the answers also should be considered and returned in base 10 actually. So what is the example saying? Let's see. So here n is 34 and k is 6. So our output is 9 and explanation given is 34 base 10 expressed in base 6 is 54. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Now n is 10 and k is 10. So here we need to convert 34 from base 10 to 34 base 6. Now here 10 and here is also 10. So it is already in base 10. So answer will be 1 plus 0 will be 1. So what this question is saying basically is we need to convert the integer n from base 10 to base k. So how we will convert it? So let's see the example. Now I will explain it in a whiteboard actually. Now let's take the example of 34. So how we will convert 34 from base 10? So from base 10 to base 6. How we will convert it? Let's see it. So after reading this question, I can understand this is. So first we will initialize the sum to 0. First the sum will be 0. Then what we will do is we will run a while loop. Basically after we will what thinking in my mind coming is what thought in my mind coming is like if there is an integer n, so we need to convert from base 10 to base 6. So basically after running a while loop we can do this. While inside while we can check that if the number is greater than 0, we will put a condition that if the number integer is basically greater than 0, so what we will do is we will just inside sum, what we will do, we will add the n percentage k. What is n percentage k is, let's say our number is 34 here. So 34, what 34 is doing is 34 percentage 6 will be 4. So after dividing with 34, after dividing with 6, uh, we can get remainder 4, we can get answer 4. So inside sum there will be store 4. So inside sum there will be store 4 here, and what we can do here is now sum has stored 4. Now what we will do, we will do n divided by k. So n equals to n divided by k. Wait a second, n equals to n divided by k. So here 34 divided by 6 will be equals to 4, sorry 5. I am sorry, it was a mistake. Here 34 divided by 6 will be 5. So what we will do here is now n is 5. Now here again the loop will run. Now 5 percentage 6 will be 5 only. So sum will store again 5, and previously it was 4, so addition at last will be 9. So as you can see here our output is it's 9 only. So this was the solution, like n percentage k and this. So these two lines are important in this question, so let's implement it. So first we need to initialize some variable to 0. Now we will run a while loop which will start from which will basically check that the number is greater than 0 or not. If the number is greater than 0, so what we will do, we will just add the sum, add n percentage k and at last we will divide n equals to n by k, and at last we will return the sum variable. Now let's run this question. Okay, as you can see here, all the test cases are passed perfectly. Now let's submit and check the results. Okay, as you can see here, all the question accepted and all the test cases are passed perfectly. Our runtime is 0 millisecond and beats are 100%. Memory used here is 7.68 MB and beats are 98.83%. So this was the solution of this question. Thank you.